Hello children, welcome to your maths class. We are doing the topic of decimals. In this video, we will discuss about multiplying decimal numbers. The rules to multiply decimals. Write the number sentence vertically. That is, the first step is that we write the numbers in columns. The number that has the most digits needs to be on the top. Multiply following whole number multiplication rules. Count how many digits are to the right of each decimal and add them together. Move the decimal over to the left that many spaces in the answer. Let's make all these steps or rules more clear with the help of an example. Now here we have a number 7.43 multiplied by 8.2. Now this number has 3 digits in it and this number has 2 digits in it. So we will write this number on the top and this number at the bottom. This is done so that we have to do lesser number of steps in multiplication. Otherwise also in multiplication we can change the order of numbers. It will not affect our answer. We will multiply the numbers as we do normally with the whole numbers. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. A multiply sign under ones place. 8 3s are 24, 2 carried, 8 4s are 32, plus 2 34, 4 here and 3 carried, 8 7s are 56, plus 3 59. Now we add them as we do in whole numbers. 6, 12, 1 carried, 9, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 6. Now is the time to put the decimal points. In the first number there are 2 digits after decimal. After decimal 1 and 2. In the second number there is 1 digit after decimal point. So total makes 3. In our answer we will put decimal point after 3 digits starting from the rightmost side. 1, 2 and 3 and we put the decimal point here. So the final answer is 60.926. Let's take one more example. Now here we have a number 9.1 multiplied by 3.855. Now this number has 2 digits in it and this number has 4 digits in it. So we will write this number on the top and this on at the bottom. Here 3.855 and multiplied by 9.1. Multiplying 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3. A multiply sign under ones place. 9 5s are 45, 4 carried, 9 5s are 45 plus 4 49, 4 carried, 9 8s are 72 plus 4 76, 7 carried, 9 3s are 27 plus 7 will give us 34. Adding them 5, 10, 1 carried, 18, 1 carried, 10, 1 carried, 5 and 3. Now we have to put the decimal point. In the first number, the decimal point, there are 3 digits after decimal. 1, 2 and 3. In the second number, there is 1 digit after decimal point. So total makes 3 plus 1, 4 digits. So we will put decimal point after 4 places. Starting from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and we put the decimal point here. So the final answer is 35.0805. word problems. They are very similar to the whole number only. The keywords are total, altogether, or the price of more from moving from one to many. Let's take this problem. Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 62 and 75 paise. What is the cost of 8 liters of petrol? We will write the solution statements. Cost of 1 liter petrol, 62 rupees 75 paise. Cost of 8 liters petrol, 62 rupees 75 paise multiplied by 8. We will write vertically and multiply them. On multiplying, we get the answer as 502.00. The decimal point will be placed after 2 places, as this number has 2 digits after decimal point and this number has no decimal places. So the final answer is 502.00. Hope the concept is clear to you. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Do practice sums and you will master the concept. Thank you.